Hello.
Hello.
Okay, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes, happy Monday.
Monday.
Yes, it's Monday, not Tuesday.
Yes.
Okay. So how are you, Teo?
Mm, I'm sad.
Oh, oh, why? What
Uh,
happened?
I'm sick. No.
Why? What happened to your arms? What
Uh,
happened to your arms?
Play basketball.
Ah, because of basketball.
Yes.
Ah, so you broke your arm. You
Yes.
broke it. Oh, since when?
Uh, Last Friday.
Since last Friday. Oh no. So you didn't go to school today? Or
No.
you
When-
you went to school.
Yes.
Okay. But can you write? What do you use
Yes.
for writing?
Uh, uh-huh.
Ah, you use your right. Your right. Is this
Yes.
your right or left? Right, left, right.
Left. Oh, okay.
Ah, so you use your right hand. You use your right.
Right hand. Yes, right hand.
Ah, I see. Oh no. Okay, so please get well soon.
Okay.
Yes. All right. So but how was your weekend? Did you still enjoy your weekend even if you broke your arm?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What did you do? Did you stay at home?
Um, yes, I stay home.
You stayed at home.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So no. So are you ready? Are you ready for today?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. All right. So let's Okay, so you're going to play a game. Okay, so again, this is only for you. Okay?
Mm, okay.
Yes. All right. Okay, hold on. Let me just find it here. Okay. So, okay. So this one, you need to unscramble the word.
Mm,
Okay? This one.
uh, mm,
And scramble. And scramble the word.
huh?
Oh, unscramble. It means you need to um spell the word correctly.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. Yes. All right. And then after that, you need to make or use the word in a sentence. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's see. Okay. You need to only choose 10 numbers. 10 numbers.
Pen numbers. Okay. Number 13.
13. Okay, what word is this?
Milk.
Okay, now use milk in a sentence.
Uh, Milk is white.
Okay. All right. Next number.
Number 8.
Number 8. Oh, what's this?
Oh, uh,
Hmm. Yeah, actually, I don't know too. Hmm. What word is this? Come on, try. You can try. Go, go, go. What do you think is this? Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4.
사넬,
Hmm?
사넬,
Eng. Oh, I think I already know it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2,
이넬.
1. Eng. Okay,
I
let's see.
아,
Ew. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Number. Okay, your next number.
number 19.
19. Hmm. Let me see. What's this?
어,
I'm trying to figure it out. Okay, let's see. What word is this? Um. Hmm. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
클,
5, 4,
클리케,
3, 2, 1. Ing. Okay, let's see. Okay. This one is hard. This one is very hard. Okay, but I'm sorry. Oops. Okay. Now let's go to your fourth number.
number 1.
Number 1.
탑, 탑,
Top. Okay, now make a sentence.
the top spinning.
Okay, now let me correct that. The top is spinning.
The top is spinning.
Yes. Okay. Let's have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to your fifth number.
Number 7.
7.
Mouse.
Oh, very good. Now use mouth in a sentence.
The teeth is the teeth in the mouth.
You can say the teeth are inside.
Inside.
Yeah, the teeth are inside the mouth.
Inside the mouth.
Right? It's inside. Okay. Okay, next number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6. Your sixth number.
And number 2.
2.
Box.
Box. Oh? Oh, okay. All right.
The box is
The box is
metal.
metal?
Yes.
Okay. Or you can say the box is made of metal.
Okay.
Okay. All right. your seventh number.
Number 3.
3.
Oh,
I know it. I think I know it.
brain.
Okay, now use brain in a sentence.
The brain is inside the our head.
Okay, the brain is inside our head. Okay. Okay, let's go to your 8th number.
Number 14.
14.
Gore. Gore.
Goal, what is that?
Uh, Lego.
Lego. Okay, use Lego in a sentence.
Lego is very small.
Again?
Lego is very small.
Ah, the Lego is very small. Okay. But there is a big Lego. Okay, but it's okay. I will accept that. Okay. Okay, now 2 more numbers. What is your 8th number?
Number 9.
9. Hmm.
Limes.
Limes? Is that your
Yes.
final answer? 5, 4, 3,
Limes.
2, 1. Ing!
Uh,
Smile. Okay. All right, let's go to your last number.
Number 4.
4.
Clock.
Clock?
Yes.
But there is only one C. One C.
Ah. Rock. Rock.
Rock? Lock.
Mm.
Ah, okay. Lock. Okay, now use lock in a sentence.
Mm. The very important place. Lock the door.
Ah, or you can just say, let's say you need to lock the door. Is that right? Okay, you can also just say that. You need to lock the door.
You need to lock the door.
Yes, okay. All right. Okay, not bad. 60 points. Okay, thank you very much. All right, so that's it. Okay, so are you ready for your lesson?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now look at the picture. Now please read the title. What is the title?
The salt is back.
The salt is back. All right, so this is about physical science.
Physical science.
Yes. Now we're still in the matter.
matter.
Yes, okay. So let's learn new words. What is it?
Salt.
Salt.
Dissolve.
Dissolve. Okay, let's say
Dis-
for example, when you put, let's say when you put sugar. When you put sugar, the sugar dissolves. Or the sugar melts inside, right? The sugar dissolves or the sugar melts.
Mm,
Okay, okay. So I will translate that. Okay, dissolve.
okay.
All right. So let's have this one.
Experiment.
Experiment. Next.
Boil.
Mm-hmm.
Dry up.
Evaporate.
Evaporate.
Yes, or you can see this one. So you can say the boiling water. Okay, it's very hot, right? So
Yeah.
this one you can call this evaporate. Evaporate. Okay, so the water evaporates.
Okay.
Okay.
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand experiment.
Ah, experiment. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Like doing an experiment. Okay. All right. Okay, what else?
I understand.
Okay. So let's see this one. Okay, look at the picture.
Mm,
Can you try to answer the first question? What will happen to the ice sculpture? What do you think will happen?
the ice.
Okay, yeah. What will happen? What will happen to the ice sculpture? So this is the ice sculpture. They're called ice sculpture. So what do you think will happen?
I don't understand.
Ice sculpture. Okay, let's see. Ice sculpture. Right? That is ice sculpture. So what will happen? What will happen to the ice sculpture? Let's say it's hot. Okay, let's say it's hot. Okay, what do you think will happen? What will happen?
Um, um, uh,
It will
uh, boil.
uh it will boil.
Um, dry.
It will melt.
Uh,
Melt. Do you know what melt is? Melt.
ah,
Right? Okay, so it will melt. Okay. Okay, now so next one. What is an example of liquid matter? Can you give me an example of liquid matter? So we have solid, liquid, and gas. So can you give me an example of liquid matter?
okay. Water.
Water. Okay, so water, juice, right? Milk. So they are liquids. Okay. Ice. Okay. So Taeyun, what matter is ice? Is it solid or liquid? Ice. Is it solid or liquid?
Um, solid.
Yes, it's solid. And then when it melts,
Yes.
what will it become? Is it still solid or it becomes liquid?
Liquid.
Yes, okay. There you go. So thank you very much. All right. So you're going to read an explanatory text. So the salt is back. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right.
Salt is solid. It can dissolve in a liquid. It can also become a solid again. How is that possible? Let's do a simple experiment.
Okay, so do you understand the sentence?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go to the experiment. Number 1.
First, prepare a glass of water. Next, add 4 top
Table.
tablespoons of salt to the water. Then stir the water.
Yeah, like stir or mix, right? So first, prepare a glass of water. Next, add 4 tablespoons of salt. It means like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 tablespoons of salt to the water. Then stir the water. Okay, so do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's have step 2.
What happened? The salt dissolved in the water. You can't see any salt in the water.
Okay, so do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, now try to answer this one.
What word means to mix with a liquid?
Mm-hmm.
Dissolve.
Yes, dissolve. Okay, to mix with liquid. Okay, next, step 3.
Mm, let's get the salt back. Boil the salt water in a pot. Boil the water until it dries. Or the water ev- evaporate.
Evaporated. Yes. All right, so let's get the salt back. So boil the salt water and then boil the water until it dries up. Okay, so it means all the water evaporated, no water at all. Okay, because the water evaporated and the water dries up. Okay, let's have step 4.
Look into the pot. What is in the pot? The salt is back in the pot. It didn't ever evaporate like a liquid. It changed back into a solid.
Okay, it changed back into a solid. Okay, so do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so this is an experiment. Okay, experiment to get the salt back. So you dissolve a salt, you dissolve salt, boil it, and then the salt will get back. Okay. All right. Okay. Now please answer this question, Taeyun. What can salt dissolve in?
Uh, Water.
Okay. So can you try to answer in a complete sentence?
Uh, the salt can dissolve in water.
Okay, in the water. Next, how can you make water evaporate? How? How can you make water evaporate? What should you do to make water evaporate?
I don't understand.
Okay, so this one is evaporate, right? This one evaporate.
Yes.
So what can you do to make water evaporate?
Boil the water.
Yes, okay. You need to boil the water. Okay. Now let's go to the next part. Okay, now I want you to read this one.
The Dead Sea is a saltwater lake.
Mm-hmm.
It is 10 times more salty than other seawater. This makes you float on the water.
Okay. Okay, do you understand?
Oh no.
Okay, what word? What word?
Or sentence.
Oh, the sentence. Okay. Do you know the Dead Sea? It's a sea. The sea named Dead, like Dead Sea. The name of the sea.
Okay.
Okay, so the Dead Sea is a salt water lake. Okay, hold on. Hold on. It's not a sea, but it's a lake. Or sorry, Dead Sea is a name of a lake. Do you know what lake is? So it's a salt water lake. Okay, so the lake is 10 times more salty.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, that's this one. 10 times more salty. It's 10 times more salty than other seawater. There.
Ah.
Yeah, so the Dead Sea is 10 times more salty than other seawater. So this makes you float on the water. Okay. So this makes you float. Do you understand this word? This makes you float.
Okay, I understand.
Okay. All right. All right. So let's have this one. Choose and write the correct words. Okay, what is this? So first you add salt and then
Dissolve.
okay. Next.
Boil.
Boil.
Uh,
What do you think is this one?
Solid.
Solid.
Evaporate.
Yes, correct. Now let's have the sentence. Number 1.
Mm, the scientist does an experiment.
Very good. 2.
A vitamin fill dissolves in the water.
Okay, 3.
And the liver dried up. Dried up because there was no rain.
4.
The water begins to evaporate.
Okay, very good. Now let's do the comprehension. Okay, number 1.
Salt is solid.
Solid. 2.
Um, what happened to the salt in the water? Mm, it it dissolved.
Dissolved. Okay, 3.
Which is correct about salt. It can evaporate like liquid.
Which is correct about salt.
It can dissolve in a liquid.
Yes, it can dissolve. All right. It cannot evaporate. Okay, like a liquid. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much. All right. So see you again on Wednesday. Okay, so get well soon, Taeyun.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
bye bye. Thank you.
Yes.